Here I have MOTOROLA Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap here, go to its settings, select Import, then select where from you want to copy them. We're gonna copy from a SIM card today. So here you can select contacts which you want to copy, but as you can see some of them are already at my phone. So I'm just gonna import the ones that are gone. Tap Import, and after that these two contacts will be transferred to our internal storage contacts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.